Sudarshanashtakam is a beautiful stotra composed by Swami Vedanta Desika, who is none other than the incarnation of the temple bell of Lord Venkateshwara of Tirupati. And he is a very great poet. He has composed various stotras and he has written so many wonderful books. And his birth name is Venkatanatha. He is very, very merciful. And there was an epidemic disease, a fever that attacked the people of Tiruputpuri near Kanchipuram, just like we had COVID in 2019 and 2020. So this epidemic, because of which people suffered a lot. So Swami Vedanta Desika, being very merciful, he glorified Lord Sudarshana through this stotra called Sudarshanashtakam. Lord Sudarshana blessed the people and protected them and destroyed that epidemic disease, and therefore all the people were saved. And now, as it is an Ashtakam, it has 8 verses, and every stanza ends with the line Jaya Jaya Shri Sudarshana, Jaya Jaya Shri Sudarshana in all the 8 stanzas, and the 9th one is Falashruti. The result of one who hears and recites this stotra is given in the 9th stanza. Now we'll see how to memorize this, because as every stanza ends with the same line Jaya Jaya Shri Sudarshana, we might get confused as to which stanza would come next, just like we saw in Jagannath Ashtakam recently. Now, so we will use these abbreviations to memorize this Ashtakam. So we have PSSN, DPMBD. So how do we remember this? The first stanza, PS. So we can remember it as problem solver Sudarshana. He solves all our problems. He gets us out of all kinds of troubles when we take shelter of him. So therefore, he is a problem solver. He is Sudarshana. And if you notice, in South India, in all the temples wherever Lord Sudarshana is presiding, behind Sudarshana there will be the altar of Lord Nrisimha. It's because Lord Sudarshana felt so much separation from Lord Nrisimha that Lord Nrisimha did not call him to kill Hiranyakashipu, because he had to kill him with his nails because of Hiranyakashipu's wounds. Therefore, Lord Sudarshana felt separation, and in order to bless him and give him solace, Lord Nrisimha blessed that he would always remain with him wherever he is in the temple. So even if you see in Jagannath Puri temple, of course, Lord Sudarshana is always beside Lord Jagannatha in a form of a long stick, and behind Lord Jagannatha's altar you will have Lord Nrisimha present there as well. And Lord Sudarshana is also the Supreme Lord himself, who also acts as his beloved servitor and devotee, just like Giriraja Govardhan. So he is the Supreme Lord himself and also his servitor. So now we have problem solver Sudarshana, with whom Lord Nrisimha always stays. And then we have the next set of verses, DP, divine protector. He always protects us from all evil things. Therefore, he is the divine protector. And why does he do that? Because he is full of mercy. He is made of mercy. So he is full of mercy, therefore M. And he always blesses us with his causeless blessings, choicest, topmost blessings, therefore B. And so we have divine protector, who is full of mercy and who always blesses us. And finally comes the Falashruti, which is D. In Sanskrit, mercy can be translated as Daya. One of the words for mercy is Daya. Therefore, he is full of Daya, right? He is full of mercy, therefore D. So we have problem solver Sudarshana, with whom always Nrisimha is there, and he is our divine protector. He is full of mercy, he always blesses us, and he is Daya personified. He is full of Daya. So therefore, we can easily memorize this beautiful, wonderful Ashtakam. I'll share here both the versions, both the song version and the stotra recital version. You can listen to it, learn it, and also memorize it. Please show this to your kids so they can easily memorize this. This is very, very powerful. Lord Sudarshana helps us get rid of all our diseases, all the evil forces he destroys. He brings in unity amongst couples, and he always shows us the right direction which leads us toward the Supreme Lord. There is nothing that he cannot bless us. So let us learn this wonderful stotra and also try to memorize. Thank you.